Good morning, dear students. So, in our last lecture, we have completed the chapter alkenes and already the submission of the notes of the chapter alkenes already was messaged in the group. So, please submit your notes for that chapter alkenes. Now, the next chapter here in the main chapter of organic chemistry, hydrocarbons. The next chapter is alkynes. Now, dear students, for this particular chapter also you have received the PDF. So, refer your notes and understand today's explanation. First, the definition of alkynes. So, what are alkynes? You are studying from low standards. They are unsaturated hydrocarbons which will contain carbon-carbon triple bond. They will contain carbon-carbon triple bond, and their general formula is CnH2n-2. CnH2n-2. Again, nomenclature also you have studied IUPAC nomenclature. The first example here, this one. Two carbon atoms containing triple bond between them, so ethyne. Then, if the alkyne is more complicated, containing what? Substituents. So we select the longest chain of carbon atom containing triple bond. Okay, and start numbering from which side, so that the triple bond will get the lowest number. आपको यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है 1 2 3 4. थर्ड पोजीशन पे आपको मिथाइल ग्रुप दिखता है, तो लिखिए यहाँ पे 3 मिथाइल, 3 हाइफन मिथाइल. So what is remaining now? In the chain 4 carbon atoms 1 2 3 4. So but first position पे ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है तो but 1 ion. Okay. Similarly, some complicated examples will get in the text. और जहाँ पे आपको वो पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम्पल में दो जगह पे ट्रिपल बॉन्ड दिख सकता है, दो जगह पे लॉन्गेस्ट चेन ऑफ कार्बन एटम में दो जगह पे आपको ट्रिपल बॉन्ड दिख सकते हैं, ऐसे एग्जाम्पल. तो वहाँ पे सिर्फ आपको प्रीफिक्स यूज करना है. आइन YNE, जैसे आइन होता है तो इसके पहले प्रीफिक्स यूज करने पड़ते हैं डाई. तो डाई आइन ऐसा है, प्रीफिक्स यूज करके आपको IUPAC नेम और पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम्पल को आपको देना है. Now we come to again the concept of isomerism. अब ये पार्ट हमने वापस जैसे आपको रिमाइंड कराते रहता हूँ मैं कि आइसोमेरिज्म इन डिटेल वी हैव स्टडीड इन द चैप्टर सम बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स एंड टेक्निक्स ऑफ आइसोलेशन, ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री चैप्टर में. So again we have example here. Now what type of isomerism are seen in alkynes? First category, chain isomers, chain isomerism. Now example is given here, C5H8. So here we have two chain isomers. तो अभी chain isomers मतलब क्या आपको पता है? The isomers in which molecular formula will be same. Isomers in which molecular formula will be same, but there will be different arrangement of carbon chain. Now look at this example, straight chain containing triple bond. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 carbon atoms, C5, hydrogen 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Over. So this part is over. Second isomer 1 2 3 4 5. 5 carbon atoms है, हाइड्रोजन्स 8 है. आप काउंट कर सकते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. डिफरेंस क्या है दोनों स्ट्रक्चर्स में? कार्बन चेन. हियर वी हैव स्ट्रेट चेन ऑफ 5 कार्बन एटम्स एंड हियर वी हैव स्ट्रेट चेन ऑफ 4 कार्बन एटम्स, बट वी हैव वन मिथाइल ग्रुप एज अ सब्स्टिट्यूएंट which is containing one more carbon atom. So total carbon atoms here also 5, C5. Okay, but what is the similarity? स्ट्रक्चर अलग है, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर कॉल्ड एज चेन आइसोमर्स. Functional isomer very important. When they have given this particular example C4H6. Okay, so we write down the carbon chain. Okay, you draw the chain of 4 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in this first isomer they have shown triple bond here. Okay, and now here second structure, if you see, there is a double bond here and double bond here. That means the difference in the two structures is their उनके फंक्शनल ग्रुप डिफरेंट है. यहाँ पे फंक्शनल ग्रुप ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है, यहाँ पे फंक्शनल ग्रुप डबल बॉन्ड. दिस इज एन अल्काइल, दिस इज एन अल्कीन, डाइईन. ओके, but what is the similarity? Molecular formula same. Molecular formula same है C4H6. So molecular formula same है लेकिन functional groups different है. That's why they are called as functional isomers. Now we have the next part of the chapter, that is preparation of alkynes. Two main methods are present in our syllabus. First one by dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation मतलब क्या? D मतलब removal, hydro means hydrogen, halogenation means halogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So D means removal of hydrogen as well as halogen atom from a molecule. So how to understand this concept? You take 1,2, okay, 1,2 dihalide. 1,2 dihalide, यहाँ पे डायब्रोमाइड है, तो यहाँ पे 1,2 dihalide you take and treat with potassium hydroxide, alcoholic potassium hydroxide to KOH. Okay, so these two bromine atoms, okay, will combine with K and it will form to KBr. देखो यहाँ पे ठीक से two bromine atoms combine with 2K will form to KBr and OH. Okay, दो ऑक्सीजन आइटम है, दो H है यहाँ पे और ये रिमेनिंग 2H यहाँ पे जो है, तो क्या फॉर्म करेंगे? वाटर, 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ वाटर. तो अनसैचुरेशन यहाँ पे क्रिएट हो जाता है और आपको क्या मिलेगा? अल्काइन. इसका नाम है इथाइन. सेकंड मेथड, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्काइन्स फ्रॉम कैल्शियम कार्बाइड. Calcium carbide means this CaC2. CaC2 you okay, it can undergo hydrolysis. Treat with water, directly we get ethine, alkyne and calcium hydroxide. So this reaction I have simplified for you. CaC2 can be written as Ca carbon 2. So 2 carbons here and triple bond. This is CaC2. Treat with water, 2 molecules, 2HOH. 2HOH means what? दो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल है, 2H2O को हमने ये फॉर्म में लिखा है पर्पसली, so that you can understand how the products are formed. Okay, so 2HOH which is nothing but 2H2O. तो यहाँ पर ऐसे ब्रैकेट में भी बता सकते हैं in place of this. Okay, तो आपको फाइनली क्या मिल जाएगा? सेम इथाइन एंड कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, क्योंकि ये दो OH और ये Ca क्या फॉर्म करेंगे? CaOH वाइज. तो यहाँ पे दो हाइड्रोजन जो बचे हैं यहाँ पे, they will combine with 2 carbons and they will form C2H2. That is our alkyne. So dear students, today's topic, okay, which you have covered in the chapter alkynes, is the introduction, definition, okay, general formula, High-based nomenclature. Some more examples you have to practice from your text. Okay, any doubts you can ask. Isomerism, two main isomerism we have studied: chain isomerism and functional isomerism. One more isomerism they have given, that is position isomerism. But position isomerism already we have studied many examples. So here position isomerism is what? Two isomers which will have same molecular formula, but position of the triple bond will be different in both the isomers. So it's a very simple concept, and that you can, as a homework, that you can revise from the text. And then today lastly we have seen preparation of alkynes. In that first one, by dehydrohalogenation, and I have already explained what is the meaning of dehydrohalogenation and how we can obtain alkyne from this particular method. And second, more important, from calcium carbide. Okay, so refer the notes. Okay, complete your notes, because now after the submission of the chapter alkenes, you have to submit alkyne. So one more chapter. Okay, after this we have, that is aromatic hydrocarbon. Okay, and one more lesson in this chapter alkynes, in which we will study the last part, that is chemical reactions of alkynes, and this chapter in the next video will be over. Okay dear students, so any doubts for today's part you can ask. Okay, so revise well and take care. Have a nice day, and thanks for today.